Nope, come on. There we go. Now you can go, boo-boo. Go, boo-boo. He's so scared of these balloons. Come here, Syx'S Wixie. Come here, pumpkin. Happy birthday. He's like, no, bitch. We'll see if he plays with it. Here you go. It's your balloon. Here, pumpkin boy. Look at him. Here, pumpkin boy. It could be because I just popped one. Here, pumpkin boy. There you go. There you go. Oh. Okay. Look who I have with me. It's Syx'S Wixie. Syx'S Wixie. It's Syx'S Wixie. Oh. It's my first birthday. It's my first birthday. It's my first birthday. Oh, Lord. Where are you going? That's my neck. Anywho. Ow! Okay, you gotta go. Oh! Alrighty. You gotta go. Back over here. So, it's been one full year of that. Anywho, I am... Something on my camera. I am running some quick errands because I just have some personal stuff I need to take care of, and then we will go back home and we will celebrate Syx's birthday. So it's his first birthday. He was born on June 3rd and I got him when he was 7 weeks old. So I got me a big boy now. I got me a big boy now. Yeah. All right, so I will check in with you guys a little later. So I'm about to bake Syx a birthday cake really quickly, and I just want to show you guys the items I got to bake it really quickly. So I got some pumpkin puree, some unsweetened applesauce, some peanut butter, sprinkles, and a cookie to go on top. And then I got some other stuff too, but you guys will see that in the final. Oh, and then some flour and vegetable oil. So these are all the items I got to bake him a cake. We're gonna go ahead, oh, and some Greek yogurt, but it's in the fridge. We're gonna go ahead and do this, and then I will show you guys what it looks like at the end.
Hello, thank you for choosing Starbucks. My name is Latrell. Can I start by getting your name, please?
Hello, my name is Yemi, Y-E-M-I.
Alright, and then what can I get for you?
Can I please get a grande strawberry acai with lemonade?
So we're actually out of the lemonade, unfortunately.
Are you? Okay.
Can still make it with water.
Is it good with water?
I think so. If you, I mean, I usually get it with lemonade.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I'll just switch it up. Can I get a grande iced coffee with 3.5 pumps of white mocha, sweet cream, and extra caramel drizzle?
Okay, grande iced coffee to 3.5 pumps of white mocha?
Yes.
Okay.
Sweet cream and then extra caramel drizzle.
Alright, sweet cream and then extra caramel drizzle.
Yes, and then can I also get a puppuccino?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, anything else?
That'll be all.
Alright, you're totally $5.89. We'll see you at the window.
Thank you. Wow, I should have had it here the entire time. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. How are you out of lemonade? How are you out of the lemonade? Ah, hello.
Okay, $5.89 today. Perfect.
Thank you.
I'm just waiting on that order for you.
Thank you. Okay. You get a puppuccino? You want a puppuccino? It's fire salon. Why am I so excited? What am I gonna pull over to?
All right, here's that drink for you.
Thank you.
And here's that whipped cream.
Yay! Thank you.
Welcome, everyone.
You too. Really want a lemonade, but yeah. Okay. Jesus. Ah. I'm gonna fall window. Alrighty, Syx'S Elixir. How do we doing this? Focus. Alrighty, Syx. Are you ready for your first puppuccino? Come here. Come here. Thank you. Alrighty. Let us know how it tastes. Is it good? This is so IG worthy. Ew. Jesus, fatty, hold on. Give me a second. All that road. This is going in. This is a lot. I'm trying to think. I have a spoon here. I don't need my finger. Where's my finger? What? Are you done? Are you done? It is no secret that HomeGoods has the best doggy toys. So now we are here and Syx is about to pick out a couple things that he wants. Hopefully he behaves while we're in here. All right. you like? Come on. Oh. Do you see any you like? What about the blue one? You like this one? You like the blue one? That's Cookie Monster? What's this blue one down here? The dark blue. This one's hard. I think he'll like it because his other one got the... Jesus. Huh. Alright, Syx, are you ready? I know you ain't sleepy. Syx. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Syxy Wixy. Happy birthday to